Okay, this is Command of Quantitative Evidence, and question is which choice best describes the data in the graph that supports the team's conclusion. So let's see what is the team's conclusion. The argument, this piece of information is known as argument. It says that the artifacts dating these many years ago have been recovered, and then it says that some scholars, based on whatever information is given, conclude that these hominins had not acquired control of fire. Okay, but so now keyword of contrast, some opposite information would be there. Zane, Stepka and colleagues recently used new method to determine whether these artifacts had been exposed to temperatures above 400. And regarding that, the argument says that's the typical temperature campfires reach. So the temperature where the fire happens is 400 degrees Celsius, and concluded that hominins who inhabited the site may have had control of the fire. And we have to support this. You have to say that yes, they may have had control of the fire. Now if we look at the graph gives temperature of different artifacts. These are artifacts, and the heading says estimated temperature to which Evron query artifacts were exposed. So the temperature over here, which is important for us, is 400 degrees Celsius. And if you see, only 2 artifacts are there that reached a temperature above 400. And as per the argument, 400 is the temperature where it catches fire. Okay, and what are these artifacts? L5236 and K318. Now let's see which answer choices say the same. A says all artifacts were exposed to temperature above 100. Okay, 100. Yes, that's factually true, but we had to prove that they were exposed to fire. So we have to talk about temperature above 400 degrees Celsius. A cannot be the right answer. Okay. Now C says artifact K39 was exposed to higher temperature than K5106. Okay, so these are the data points corresponding to K39 and K106. Factually, it's correct. This temperature is more than this temperature, but both are below 400 degrees Celsius, so we'll discard this answer. Answer choice D says artifact K5106. K5106 is this one, and 39 were exposed to temperature above 400 degrees Celsius, which is factually incorrect. They were exposed to temperature below 400 degrees Celsius. So we're left with only answer choice B, which should be the right answer. Let's verify. Artifact L5239, which is the first one, and K318, which is this one, were exposed to temperatures of approximately 550. Is that true? Yes, first one 550, and the second one is roughly 650, between 600 and 700 degrees Celsius respectively. So B should be the right answer.